kubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Kinong tho kubor kibadon hakalama jong kasilong presklong. Rengkat kajingidon lang. Kibahayang asem. Kilayo banle burom kado. Yuba Samir Solia. Hapalau jong kasilong presklop. Kabadon halawar lachumyar. Kebalong menta kasngi. Kakalay tarik jaleo arjar puwe. Hakapor shibajishtang no paisngi. Uba Samir Solia. Ubadon sapu prasnam kakerta. Uday unong tho kubor. Kakot kubor pareng. The Sentinel, ulaklat no, hakakat arterik menta ubunay, hakapor san bajajan met, hayang sa jong u halang kerding shalom. Ulai no siya din niya kalok, arangot kikun kentay, ya kakami, kihinman para, bat ya kibahayang asam, bat karpang yala kijong kiparalok nong to kubor, kibaju iman lakasngi, ban ajing tip siya kipadba. Hasywa banra siya shalong press club, lapandap ya kajing lenyam lirukom, hayang sa jong u halang kerding. Padhabal apoy hapalau jong ka Shillong Press Club lalek buram kado daki paran to kubar hapo kajing penyaj uba David Letplang kum presiden ubal ay jing kran kado layo ro ben pelong kajing sabjar ke ba army net balayo ro ben ay kublay kado da baro kinong to kubar bat nang ne larano sya ulum jing tang jong ka sengkasi kebadon hajayaw ben pendap ya kajing lenyam ka ba kado.
Bye to a soul that has been so precious, that has touched each and every one over the years that we have known him. Because Samir is a man who doesn't even know just you, he knows everybody, including your family, including everyone who's a part of your life. He was so much an integral part of our life, be it at work, be it at home, be it personal, be it social. Samir was the one that would always tie up things for everybody. You left us because I guess you were meant to go to a better place, Sam. We're going to miss you. We could have waited a little longer, but I pray and I know that you would have set things right and you're going to your Maker. You're going to be resting in everlasting peace. And that's all that we can pray for you. To come to Mem, Zabin, and Zoya, to Kong, to Nas, and Kiki, and everyone. We are family too, and we grieve. We can't help but cry. But may the good Lord give us the ability to withstand this storm, the ability to think straight and to remember that He has a purpose for each and every one of our lives. The life that we celebrate today of Samir Solia, let it be so. Let it be not that we mourn, but let us celebrate the life that was once full of joy and happiness and an ever-willing spirit to reach out to those that are in need. Thank you, my dear brother, my comrade, our EC member, our senior member. There's not enough words to describe you, Sam. Goodbye, bro. God be with you. Let's just maintain the stoic 2 minutes of silence, please. I can survive.